First Responder Garage here. This is February 16th, 2023. And I just got I did an unboxing video. JB sent me my part for this transmission. And this will be the last video I do on this transmission. I got to have some secrets. So with that being said, let's get to it. Alright guys, just did an unboxing video. JB's little shop did this for me. Thank you, JB. I really appreciate it. And what does it do? What is it? Well, this is a case saver. The overdrive transmissions, okay, that the snap ring and the bearing, see this? The snap ring holds this bearing in that case. And then the brake piston comes on and it pushes on this bearing, which forces this snap ring up against the case and wears the case out. And then it gets loosey-goosey, okay? Eventually, you have to replace the case, or so they say. Now, this prevents that. Okay? I almost lost it there. See? Case saver for the Mopar overdrive transmission. Anyone that has this overdrive housing right here. This saves the case. What does it do? Well, I'm going to show you. This will slide in there. It's a little bit snug. See where I'm putting it? Put your snap ring in. Clean your bearing, inspect it. You need to push, rotate, pull, rotate. That's how you inspect them. Make sure there's no movement. Get up against that snap ring. Of course, I got the camera on. So, now, if this wears anymore, it can't go anywhere because that sleeve is in the case now. It can't go anywhere. You'll actually reinforce the case. The bearing will be more stable. It won't rotate to the side any because it's machined. This is machined and it fits up against the back wall. So now your bearing is more stable. Not that it had a problem before, but every little bit helps. And there is There's a 12 to 13 thou gap in between the bearing and the sleeve itself. So there's room for expansion, contraction. If it needs to move a little bit, it's going to be protected. This will last you a lifetime, and this is the last piece of information I will share with YouTube, the community, for this transmission. I have more into this transmission than what I posted, but some secrets have to remain secrets for now. And without further ado, I'll be posting this. And thank you, JB's Little Shop, for making that part for me. It is a perfect fit. I gave him the specifications, he machined it, and he sent it back to me in the mail. One shot, perfect fit. Thank you. That guy knows his shit. Thank you.